Hello there, I'm reaching out to redo the Oauth workflow for the application. I went ahead and revised this. The correct one is the one for the add-ons metadata, not the drive metadata. So we removed the drive metadata from the Cloud Console and replaced it for the add-ons one. So, oh no, we haven't replaced it. Let me fix that. Okay, so now we have actually replaced it. Out, drive, add-ons, metadata read-only. This is the one that is required to run the workspace add-on script. So that's that. On the updated side of the application. Now we will go through the authorization flow. This particular permission already tested in another video, but let's go ahead and ensure that the application is still functional. And to confirm the permission, it has to be the add-ons, not just drive metadata that we require access to. So we will go ahead and test the deployment, install, go to our Google Drive, wait for it to be loaded. We have our icon now. We authorize access. I'm just gonna re-say it. The bottom line of the application is to let you load files from Google Drive and automatically share them with whomever requests them via the standard request access to a file interface that can be found in multiple in any Google file that comes from docs, slides, files in your drive that are not Google files, that kind of thing. You cannot share folders, things that you don't own, just your files. The way we do this is that we send the file metadata and the token to a backend service that keeps on listening to the drive.watch method that comes from Google Drive. And once it receives a notification from a monitored service, he goes to the email and queries for the share request emails to get the requester email and share it with him. And then it sends all that data to a backend. This needs to run when you're not present. So after we allow, we will just go ahead and do a quick demonstration. The application is integrated with Google Drive. Let me ensure that the file is not shared with anybody yet. It's not. The way it works is very straightforward. We provided a endpoint that will receive a JSON with the file ID and the email requester and the email of the requester. And that's pretty much it. We hit it so that it starts sharing. That's it. We can verify that it's working. We can verify that it has set up the file for sharing here. We can remove it entirely from the application here. We can only shut down the monitoring and auto sharing here. By hitting this button, you get sent to the file in case it's not like visible on your drive and you want to get straight to it. And the way it works is that if a third party comes and requests access to the file via this button, the request will be granted automatically. It does take up to 30 seconds because we are like buffering notifications and timing our requests. But once it's done, we should just automatically gain access. The I think I do have to wait for this. Might pause it. We'll pause it for a bit. Okay, I'm pausing testing. Yay, we got access. Okay, so after the file is automatically shared with whomever requested it, the application, on top of notifying the target endpoint, keeps track of the file that you shared, who you shared it with. This in case that your endpoint fails or something, you have some sort of backup to say your account, a starting date with a free plan, 30 credits, and then each share gives you the what happened out of share, time, who you shared it with, and your balance after the task. And things cost 1 credit to perform. And that's pretty much it. If you look at it from inside the application, you can now see that it has 1 approved request. And if you select the file, the contextual menu will tell you it has a list, 1 request serviced. That's pretty much the application functionality. That'll be pretty much it. If you require any additional thing, please let me know. And please have a great day. Bye-bye.